Okay. The sun is outside, there's ice on the ground, and I promised you a tutorial. So let's get this off the road here. Homebrew Creations, open a new tab. Okay. So this will be for the real Mani species that we're making. I forgot how to pronounce it. First, create species. They should call it a race. I don't know why they don't. Now, first big mistake a lot of people do is they create from scratch. Don't do that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create from a template. That way we can get off the ground a little faster. Legacy. There we go. Most of the work will be done for us. Okay, how the fuck do you spell this thing? Where? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright. Where did it go? My beloved hexspire. There it is. There we go. Delete that. Delete that. Basic so far. Blah, blah, blah. Real money. Oh, damn. The formatting here. Oh, changed. Okay. Copy. Don't need that. Didn't need that. Okay. And paste. That was close enough. Okay. Sorry. This down here, the description, you could probably keep the formatting, but usually what I like to do is just erase it because we do not need to keep all that information. And this as well, short description, just delete it. Everything else, though, we'll need for later. Your Romani character has a variety of natural abilities, the results of thousands of blah, 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 blah. I believe they are from the realm of order. Okay, fuck. First, we're going to have to look up what a Romani is. I looked them up earlier because I saw it next to Maya's name like a few weeks ago, and I'm like, what the hell? Oh, he chose an ace. Oh, right, we already knew that. Oh yeah, vampire. Alex is playing a vampire. That's funny. Okay. So I looked it up earlier, and then later I saw this one, which is pretty cool. Very Bene Gesserit. I think that'll be for the small image here, the portrait avatar. Nope. Not yet. Not yet. Slow down, baby. And this one here will be for the big image. Just so people can get, when they click on it, a better understanding of what a real Mani is. The fact that it can be a variety of different things between this and something more like this. Though there are these things that was in the other one. I have no idea what the fuck that is. It's probably also a real Mani. They are shapeshifters after all. But this seems more like a class that people would want to play, so we're going to be putting our best foot forward with this image. I already have it saved. I was trying to do this earlier. But effectively, let's go into some other thing. Let's see here. Yeah. Romani protect the balance between the forces and philosophies of the multiverse. They seek to maintain planetary equilibrium. Romani are bipedal with large bodies, heavily. Till the Romani, each of these forces are... Okay, while the Romani might be found anywhere, the most frequently can. This is kind of backwards. You want to start out with what a real Mani is. So we're going to be copying that first. And then, yeah, where they're found, and then what they do. So we're just going to be copying, pasting this, but in reverse again. Pretty good find, but yeah. So, Romani are bipedal with bodies of living metal that ranges in appearance from cold iron to brilliant gold. What the hell? Cold iron. Most have smooth faces with few features, and their extraordinary anatomies are often act in defiance of natural forces. While the Romani might be found anywhere, they are most frequently encountered on their home plane, the Outlands, where they work to ensure that no force overexerts itself on the concordant opposition. Romani protect the balance between the forces and philosophies of the multiverse. They seek to maintain equilibrium, assuring that of good, evil, law, chaos, never grow too powerful or too weak. Romani, blah, blah, blah. Call me an egotist, but I do want to mark this so that it stands out among other people's creations, because by now, other people have definitely made Romani, so I am going to put a stamp so that you know it was me. And along with that, being that they are an Amesha, there's this tidbit that I kind of want to add about them because they do look vaguely elvish. We saw that in earlier pictures with the weird Bene Gesserit thing. So, being that they're very like machine-like and very elvish, I would like to put in a reference to something that I saw a while ago. So, called Clockwork Elves by the common folk. Just so we have a unique name and a bit of world building, unique to Amesha. If you saw one of these things, it would be called a Clockwork Elf. And to 1,000. And yeah, the name comes from DMT. People who use DMT, they tend to see creatures called Clockwork Elves. Years of... I have no idea. What the hell? Sure, now often act in defiance of defiance against the damn, what the hell do I even put here? The Outlands of fuck it. Neutrality. I gotta put something there. May as well, right? Okay. Large avatar. We are going to go. Where the hell did I save this again? Right. Here it is. It's a large avatar. Small avatar. Same thing. There we go. And save changes. Please? Please don't erase my progress, please? Yep, there we go. The Romani of Amesha. There we have it. Oh, and there are pictures. Lovely little pictures they are. Okay. Ability score. Let's see if we need to change anything. Now, since we're not going to have any... What do you call it? Since we're not going to have any subclasses for this, or sub-races or whatever, we're going to be adding another one just to spice it up. Your intelligence by 1. Intelligence, and I forgot to put the word score there. And just do the same thing. Copy. Paste. There we go. Put a period. Granted, all of that, save. And there you go. But we still need to edit it a little, because these modifiers down here, aha! This is another thing. when people download it, they want to kind of use it as intended. So in this instance, they already have the dexterity score. Cool. We add a modifier. Modifier type. I think it was bonus. And we... Sometimes you have to do a lot of searching throughout these little things, but I think I have it right here. Intelligence score. And fixed value of 1. There. There you have it. Same as this thing. Dexterity score by 2, intelligence score by 1. Save. And essentially, everything here, although Clockwork Elves, there we go. Although Clockwork Elves reach physical maturity at about the same age as humans. What did they say about the Relmani again? I really got to keep that tabbed as well. Fuck. Go to Google. Google. Relmani. This is a different thing. It does not have anything except these languages here. Common and undercommon. All Relmani able to telepathically and emphatically with animals. Interesting. We'll use that later. For now, where was I before? Oh, it gives you nothing. Race, please. Oh, this is the one. This is one that I use a bit frequently. This D&D wiki thing. It's very bootlegged, but it has a bunch of other people making homebrew for it. So hopefully, Lomani are beings that never age or die. They mature at around 50 years of age. Damn. Wait, if they never age, then how do they mature at 50 years? Yeah, this was written, like, terribly. But it gives us an idea of what these things are supposed to be. Fuck. Quick question, what the hell? Description, personality, abilities. Do I really have to make things up? Please don't make me make things up. I don't want to step on anyone's toes or get something wrong like this person did. Oh, if I have to. Oh, if I have to. Whatever. Oh, do elves not have a snippet? Oh. They do not. Clockwork elves reach physical maturity at about age 50. Go. Can live to be 170 years old. Can live indefinitely? I have never heard of a race being immortal before, or amortal. Should I let this slide? Or should I give it a thing? I don't know. But thankfully down here we don't need to put anything because there's nothing in the game that would need it to be hard-coded. Fuck it. Let's look at I am Mimir. Philosophy. Flumark. Futark. Abelark. Kuplark. What the hell? It's all coming soon. It's all this stuff that's coming soon. Anyone have any? Never age or die. They mature to... Oh, is that correct? Is this it? Is this what it is? Shit. Okay, so... Okay, I think I stumbled upon the actual answer. Wait, what? Random height. Base height. 4 or 5? They look tall as shit. What do you mean, 4 or 5? Okay, I did not know the assignment. Fuck, this is going to be harder than I thought. Alright. Change of plans. This is what we are going to be using right now. Your base walking speed is 25 feet. Alright. Alright, this is it. And these two are already abilities that the elves have, so I think I chose right in that one. Dark Vision, Brightless, that's also an elven ability. Cool. I'm going to have to change a lot. Alright. For now, though. Copy. Paste. I'm doing this out of spite at this point. Speed. That is a good point. I need to change this thing. Hooray! Save. Size. Rather bloated in shape with spindly limbs. Okay. I will just copy and paste this over then. They didn't strike me as being fat, though. Just saying. I'm not making a plumark or whatever the hell that is. Just seems a little unnecessary. Save. Speed. 25 feet. That sucks. Did I change that as well? Yes, I did. And their base ability score. Let's see here. Lead-in commenters of society. Remark. Exclusive. Their metallic sheen is fluid like mercury. Quick to anger. Your strength or constitution. Dexterity. Yeah, we need to change this. Constitution and then dexterity. Sorry, charisma. Save the description. Go back in. Fudge. Edit. Change to 1. Save. Edit. Go back up here, so it's charisma score. And make it 2. I'll change this later if I didn't make the right kind of real money that she wanted, but for now, though... Wait, your base assassin speed... Alright. Proficient in the stealth skill, and you have a speed of 35. I'm going to guess that this is the one that she wants to be, because these seem more lithe and graceful in things. So, save. Save. Size, speed, edit. 35. And this does, I think I forgot to change the modifier here as well. Save. Didn't I? Isn't there a modifier? I guess not. Alright. I'll change keen senses. Stealth skill. And what did I say earlier? Lithe. Lithe physique. Off the cuff. Good shit. We're going to... It didn't go back. Okay. Oh, another thing. These modifiers here, this is another reason you do this. This thing here that says skill, when it shows up on like a page or whatever, when you share it, you can sort of hover your mouse over this word and it'll show you what stealth does and why it's important and all that. It's cool. And yeah, we just edit this. What the hell? Padded? What the? Okay, just go to S. Stealth. There you are. Hello. Proficiency in stealth. Hooray! Okay. Save. And that's all you need to do there. From this, dark vision is the same. We just need to change custom to Twilt Forest. Blah, 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 blah. Where we're getting rid of the flavor text and just keeping it as it is otherwise. Because I believe it's the same. Yes, it is 60 feet. Okay. Live physique, fey ancestry. Aha! This is the one that means magic spells can't put you to sleep. Okay. Body's coated, material, so electric pass without harm. You're resistant to lightning damage. Ooh. That's neat. That is neat. Neutral mind, I think is what it's called. Neutral mind. Unnecessary capitalization. Very important bit of the business. Romani have alien minds, blah, blah, blah. Fuck! Wrong one. Copy. There we go. You have advantage against being charmed, and your alignment cannot be shifted by magical means. Okay. Copy. And paste. That is your best friend in this business. And from there, save. Edit. I don't think there's anything in this database that would allow this thing to come to pass. Like here it says, immune to magical sleep. It's sort of hardwired into it. Let me see here. Immune to... Nope, nothing. So we'll just get rid of it because we delete those. And there it says, advantage on being charmed. That's all you need to know. That's all the DM needs to know. Trance, I do not believe they have a trance, but what they do have, aha, is celestial metal. You don't need sleep, blah, blah, blah. Your body is coated in metal, blah, blah, blah. Copy. Paste. This doesn't need to be too terribly different. We already know what a Romani is. We see what it looks like. We know what the basic thing is. And we edit to give it that lightning damage resistance. Modifiers, add a modifier. Modifier type. Resistance. Go down here to lightning. Save. Done. Done. It's that easy. That simple. Languages. I believe they're the same, meaning we don't need to change anything. Hooray! Speak, read, and write common one other language. Write common and elf literature, so various poets. Blah, blah, blah. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. So once again, we're just going to copy and paste. Fuck. This is going to suck because I have no idea. Modifiers. Delete. Confirm. Elvish. I need to add an option. Name. Language. You can speak one other language of your choice. Done. Easy. And we copy. And we paste up there. Prerequisite species trait. Option. Character level required. None, I don't think. Is granted. Save. Did that work? Hooray! Shit. I did not do that right. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Fuck. Oh, what do I do here? Okay. We're learning together now. This has gone from a tutorial to a modifier type. Is it language? Yes. Choose a language. Oh! Fuck. Okay, we're gonna delete the option. Confirm. Confirm. And yeah, we're just gonna do that. See, what was I belly aching about? Anyways, language. C is for choose a language. Oh, wait a second. Choose a rare language. That one fits in a little more because they're like celestial or from the abyss or whatever. I think it makes more sense to choose a rare language so that you can know that you're otherworldly just by default. But what kind of otherworldly is optional. So I think we're done here. Right? Yeah, we're done here. Okay. Did I just save changes? Yes. Okay. Wait, what do I do now? Variance? No variance. And up here? Oh shit. Wrong one. Yeah, we go over here to the Romani of Amasia. And there we have it. Full details. And we can share with the community. Rani, called clockwork elves by the common folk, are bipedal with bodies of living metal that ranges in appearance from cold, brilliant, gold, blah blah blah. We already did that. And there we have it. Base speed 35. Stealth. Yep. Alright, hope this was helpful. If you need me to do something else, I'm prepared to do that. I am glad. I'm glad I could kill two birds with one stone today.